Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing materials. Collect at least 64 logs and a stack of planks so you can build uninterrupted. Lay out a 7 by 9 footprint and clear or level the ground. This prevents awkward slope corrections later. Next, set vertical log posts 4 blocks tall at each corner, then run horizontal logs between them to form a visible beam frame. Once done, you'll have a sturdy skeleton that defines the house shape and saves time when adding walls and floors. Now you build the walls. Infill between the log beams with planks or horizontally placed logs to create visual contrast and strength. Leave deliberate gaps for windows and the front door so you don't rework openings. For the roof, stack stairs or slabs in a peak, giving a 1-block overhang to form eaves. This sheds rain and looks realistic. Install glass panes in window gaps and place a door centered on the front. Make sure to add fence railings where needed for safety and style. Finish the interior with a wooden floor, torches, a crafting table, furnace, and storage. You want a functional space where mobs won't spawn. Outside, add a small porch, stairs to the ground, lanterns, flower boxes, and a gravel or cobblestone path to nearby points of interest. If you encounter problems, use scaffolding to safely reach and repair missing logs or roof errors. And if hostile mobs spawn inside, make sure light levels are raised to 12 or above, and seal unintended openings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.